Hello, I'm Dr. Naitik Trivedi. Welcome back in my YouTube channel. I am going to perform the practical on bleeding time of own blood sample. In this practical, I will show you the theoretical parts as well as I have performed the practical by my own self to find out the bleeding time of own blood sample. So be with me and learn how to perform this practical. Aim of the practical is to find out the bleeding time of own blood sample. For this practical, we need some requirements. These are pricking needle or you can say lancet. You need watch as well as plastic sheet, pencil or pen, cotton plug, 70% of methylated alcohol, you can say spirit, as well as we need scale. For to perform this practical, we need filter paper, and onto filter paper we need to draw these kinds of the table on which you need to write the aim. If you are the student, then write roll number, date of the performance, and one side time in a second and other side blood spot. You need to write 0 to 210 second. Because of why? Because normal bleeding time is 1 to 3 minutes. That's why I have written 210 second. So these are the requirements for the practical of the bleeding time. Principle of this practical, a bleeding time test determine how quickly your blood clots to stop bleeding. The test involve making small puncture in your ring finger. Why we are choosing the ring finger, I will describe. Uh, the test is a basic assessment of how well your blood plate work to form clots. Generally, we are performing this practical because of to check our platelet function. Platelets are tiny cell fragments that circulate in our blood system. They are the first cell to react to a blood vessel's injury. They seal up the wound. They seal up the wound to prevent more blood from escaping. Abnormal results from a bleeding time test can be a sign platelet function defect. That means what? Abnormal result from a bleeding time test can be a sign platelet function defect. So this one is the principle of the practical. Now what is the procedure of this practical? How we have to perform? First, write the aim, date and roll number on a piece of a filter paper and draw the pattern to take the result on a filter paper as shown into the below figure. So, after drawing these all onto the piece of the filter paper, take a new or unused lancet or pricking needle and sterilize it with the 70% of the alcohol. After that, sterilize the tip of the ring finger with the 70% of the alcohol by using the cotton plug. Then rub the finger to increase the blood circulation, then hold the finger using your thumb. I will show you into the video how to perform the practical. Then give the sharp prick by the lancet on the tip of the ring finger. Then start to take the result on a filter paper at 10-second interval. Take first result at a 0-second time means immediate after the pricking. Then at a 10 second, 20 second, 30 second you reach until no blood appear on the filter paper. Then time from first appearance of the blood spot to no blood appearance is your bleeding time. That means stoppage of your bleeding. Normal bleeding time of healthy person is 1 to 3 minutes. Why we use the left hand ring finger? It is least used as compared to the other finger. Then synovial sheath of ring finger short of the hand, and due to this infection do not spread exceeds to their limit. So here I will show you how to perform the
I have
practical.
explained you the theoretical portion. Now I am going to start the demonstration of the practical to find out the bleeding time of own blood sample. Before start the practical, I am showing you the requirements. You need scale, ball pen, 70% of the methylated alcohol, which is also known as the spirit. You need to make the cotton plug, then filter paper, napkin, lancet. Different types of the lancet is available into the market. I will use these types of the lancet, which is also known as the pricking needle. Here in this lancet there are the two sides. One side is dome shape portion and second side is groove lining. So hold this lancet in this position. Your two finger at the bottom side and dome shape portion is your side, and place your thumb in between these two finger. Then your one finger at the upper side, first finger at the upper side. So when you give the sharp prick, that time this finger give the pressure, so you can easily prick your finger. Here see again the position, holding position of the pricking needle or lancet. This one only, this portion is exposed outside the finger, so it will prevent the damaging of your finger. This is the right position to hold the lancet. Then watch to measure the time. Then you need to make table on filter paper. First write the aim of your practical to find out the bleeding time of own blood sample. If you are student, then write roll number, then write date. In the table you need to write time in a second, and in the second column need to write blood spot. We know the normal bleeding time is 1 to 3 minutes. So here time in second 0, 10, 20, 10 second interval. Here you need to write up to the 210 second, because we know the normal bleeding time lie between 0 to normal bleeding time is between the 1 to 3 minutes. That means between the 60 to 180 second, 60 to 180 seconds. So you need to write some more second up to the 210 second. Then finally you need to write result, my own bleeding time is dash dash second. So this is the primary requirements. Then you have to keep all these requirements onto the plastic sheet, so it will not give any kinds of the, or it will not produce the dirt on your desk. So these are the requirements. Before start the practical, you need to cut your nail, because when you give the prick and if your blood spot goes into your nail, and if you not wash your hand, then when you eating the food, that time it goes into your stomach and it will infect you. And if you not wash your hand and if blood spot goes in your nail and you did the handshake with the any person, then it will transmit the communicable disease. That's why it is essential before start the practical you cut your nail. It is meant. Then take the cotton plug, which is 70% of the methylated alcohol. Then take the fresh lancet. Every time you need the fresh lancet, and give the wash, that means sterilize it, then put aside. Then applied the 70% of the methylated alcohol on your ring finger. Why we use the ring finger? I have already explained you into the theoretical portion. Then rub the finger. Then rub the finger because of why it increase the blood circulation. First give the motion to your hand, then applied the 70% of the methylated alcohol, then rub the finger for the increasing of the blood circulation, then hold the finger, then I have explained you how to hold this lancet, then give the sharp prick. Here I have given the sharp prick. Then at the 0 second give the spot. Not do rub finger after pricking. Then every 10-second interval again give the spot. Here there is the some faint spot is observed. Now here there is the no spot. That's why here I will write no blot. Here I will write no blot. So my stoppage of bleeding time is 80 seconds. So here I will write 80 seconds. If you need to write in the minute, then you can write 1 minute and 20 seconds. So you can see here, first spot I have taken at the 0 second, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and at the 80 second there is the no spot, that's why no blot. So my result, my own blood bleeding time is 80 seconds. So friend, I have explained you the bleeding time practical.
So friend, here I have described you how to perform the bleeding time practical. Hope you like my video. So if you like, then subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, then type into the comment box. I will definitely reply you. Thanks. Thank you very much.